In this video, I'm doing an acrylic design with rose gold glitter and real snake skin. Just want to say no snakes were harmed when doing this. It was a snake that had naturally shed. So no snakes were harmed, and I just want to thank the lovely Kerry Reese who sent me the snake skin. So first of all, I filed all the nails, removed all the cuticle, and then come in with my Pro Impressions Advanced Competition Natural Tips, just applying them with a tiny bit of CJP gripper glue, angling them down so there's no air bubbles, and then pressing down your wings just to make sure they're nice and secure. Also, I just want to say a big thank you to Lucy Fell for inspiring me with this design. I did see the design on her Facebook page and I just had to try it. And then cut to my client's desired length, just making sure the blade is always facing away from your client. And then come in with my Stork scissors and cut off the edges because my client wanted the stiletto shape. And then come in with my 150 grit file and just refine those tips just to get that perfect shape. I come in and just refine the edges, make sure you're getting all those little bits from underneath the tip. And then I just slightly blend just on the wings, just so they're nice and flush with your natural nail. Also, when you're filing your tips, check the view from your client's side just to make sure they're nice and straight. They can look straight from your view, but sometimes when you turn them round, they look a bit wonky. So just straighten them up from your client view. And then apply my CJP acid primer. And then come in with my CJP size 12 brush and CJP crystal glass and just apply a nice thin layer to all nails. This nail is an ombre, so I'm coming in with CJP Milky Pink, applying at the tip and just blending back down the nail. Milky Pink is a softer pink than Snow White, and it makes doing ombres so easy. They just blend perfectly. I then let that set a bit and come on to the next nail, where I apply CJP Rose Gold at the cuticle area, fading it up, and then come in with the Glitter Arty Rose Gold Stacker, just using a mixture of a few of them, just applying it at the tip and fading it down to one side. I will come back and cap that nail in crystal glass. This one is one of the snakeskin nails, so I applied again the rose gold glitter at the cuticle with a really small bead of clear to pick up some of that glitter. Blending it down a little bit, I then apply a really small bead of clear just to give the snakeskin something to stick to. So I sanitised the snake skin and then just applied it onto the nail, pressing it in just while the acrylic sets to get it nice and secure in the nail. And then just trim off any excess. It's really easy to work with, it's really nice and soft and pliable. I then applied a little bit more glitter onto the nail and then capped that entire nail in crystal glass. Then come back to my ombre nail and apply amor at the cuticle and just blend it back into that milky pink, and then apply crystal glass just to where my blend is so you don't file it away. This nail is another ombre nail, so I just come in and apply milky pink at the tip, fading it back, really feathering it down so you get a nice even blend, and then come in with amor at the cuticle. I then apply some more snake skin to this nail, just while the nail's nice and wet, and really press that into place. Again, and then trim off any excess, apply a bit of glitter around that snake skin, and then cap the whole nail in crystal glass. And then did the thumbnail the same as the ring finger with CJP rose gold and the glitter arty rose gold stack, again just faded down to one side. I then come in with my NSI 150 grit file. Again, my usual filing routine, just coming in round the side walls just to get that really crisp shape, and then refining round your side walls just to remove any bulk. Come round your cuticle, again getting the file right behind that cuticle application so it's nice and flush and you've got no step, and then come down the barrel of the nail. I did then speed just the rest of this video up. It's all the same filing technique, I just don't want you to get bored when you're watching it. And just be aware when you're filing the nails with the snake skin in, obviously not to file too much. You don't want to get through to that snake skin and ruin your design. I then removed all the dust off the nails and come in with my super shiny CJP tack free top gloss, applying this to all the nails and curing for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Then just wait for it to cool for a minute when it comes out of the lamp and apply your cuticle oil. And here's your finished look. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you.